Good morning, good morning. I wonder if I should start a new one. Let's go. Good morning, good morning. It is Thursday, August 24th. Also, I think people like YouTube only because my click-clacking from my keyboard is so far away. I might actually buy the keyboard that I have down in Florida because it's really nice and I really like it. Hi, good morning. Thanks for the hearts. I'm going to do another I wonder what. All right. I have everything set up. I'm just waiting for the market to open in 4 minutes. Do we have any other reports today? I don't think so. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Send those little hearts. The little confetti. Make sure you hit that thumbs up as you come in. You only have to do it once per stream. That's the only thing I ask. That and that if you want to be part of the giveaway, you have to chat and respond in the chat area. Thanks, Laura. Perfect. I got rid of my Twitter. I just feel like it was kind of pointless, but I might start a new one. I don't know. I feel like pretty much no one from Twitter actually. Well, actually, a few people became members from Twitter, but nothing crazy. Well, we have a large zone today, so we'll have to see about that. Also, I'm running these zones, which I'm excited about. Overnight, NQ was already 1 for 1. And the LIS setups, we already had 2 for 2 on oil last night. And then oil zone this morning is already 1 for 1. So premium folks are already, and then gold last night was 1 for 1 on LIS. So that was 3 for 3 on LIS overnight. That's all premium. And then zones, and Q was 1 for 1 and oil was 1 for 1. So that's like 5 for 5 on the night before the market even opens. Good morning. Before the market even opens, we're 5 for 5 on premium setups. Now, if you aren't in premium, you could still have ran ES range overnight. That was 1 for 1. NQ range did not take a trade. Therefore, it's 0 for 0. So if you're not in the premium group, you could still be 1 for 1 overnight. And then ZB is currently in a short, but it's red like $180 or something. I can go over here. This is what it looks like. Back at the zone. Hi, Laura. Hi, Jen. Yeah, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I'm sorry if I'm yawning today. I promise it's not on purpose. I'm just so tired. But yeah, so I'm excited. Market opens in less than a minute. I'm going to get live on TikTok as well. We had to create, our 2 main accounts are in timeout until Friday. So we have 2 new backup accounts. So I'm going live on one of those. I need to switch over to that. It's BoldBot _backup. So if you want to be on both TikTok and YouTube, I would love that. It would be super awesome. But I think the screen and the visual here on YouTube is actually better because on TikTok I have to like zoom you in and move you around. Also, if you're on YouTube and for some reason it's ever blurry, just change the resolution in the bottom right corner. They automatically put you on a resolution that they prefer or they think would be good for your phone or your internet whatever it is. But you can choose the best one. Look at this drop on NQ. You can choose a different, like the highest quality, which is what you should do. So then it's never appearing like fuzzy. Hi, Sharif. How are you? Or Sheriff. Look, I don't know. Sheriff Pepper. What's up? It's Thursday. Good morning, good morning. Hi. Yeah, I'm live. Oh, I should share. Jen, can you share this with Amy, please? Well, or can you just put it in announcements? I actually got rid of my Twitter, so Amy's not going to be sharing on Twitter anymore. Those ES night plays are absolute gold. Yeah, let's talk about it. The night setup. So far this week, the overnight LIS setups have made $1,125. That's insane. And that's with one contract. Then the standard range night setups have made $398. So there was no trade last night with NQ, and then ES has traded every day this week. Extra $400 if you just turned on the night setups. Look at this move down. I have scalper turned on, but it's not in this. I'm surprised, maybe because it had already crossed before the market opened, probably. Right? What times do I have this on? It should be the normal. Yeah, 9:30. Yeah, so I guess it was just already down. Look at this move. Oh, what a surprise. I have a level here at 15,290. Good morning, good morning. If you're new here, I go live every day, Monday through Friday on YouTube and TikTok, 9:30 to 10:30, and then at 2 to 3 p.m., showing you my auto trading algorithm and kind of just talking about futures and understanding what they are and helping you understand what they are. This is a large move down. I'm not going to be super thrilled with, well, at least the range will be large because this is a pretty big drop. But we did talk about this on the student call that I foresee this pulling back essentially to this area, the 33. So we'll have to see what happens. It's only 9:32. But the way that this drop looks on zone is kind of crazy. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that if you didn't already pin it yourself. And this week, just on the standard setups, if you're running range, only your green $1,400. And that does include the night setups. And that is with the smallest sizing. Good morning, good morning. Please hit that thumbs up. If you don't see it, rotate your phone the long ways, as if you were normally using your phone, and then it will appear under the box of the video itself. Hi, good morning. Thanks for posting that in announcements, Irma. I appreciate it. Oh, yes, let me add you. Let me add you as moderator. Okay, Jen, you are added. Irma, are you on here? Can you, oh, there you are. Let me add you. I see it. Add moderator. Confirm. So it is Thursday. The symposium is happening today and tomorrow. Powell is speaking tomorrow at 10:05 a.m. and there's a report at 10 a.m. So it's going to be crazy tomorrow. And I am going to be a bit more conservative going into tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. If you're new here, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m.
Target filled.
Well, target already filled on whatever that was. NQ early already hit target. We didn't even get our submission, just target filled. Nice. We need some eggs in the chat. Can we get eggs in the chat? Let's go, let's go, let's go. NQ early is already 1 for 1. So again, if you're only running the standard setup, NQ early is 1 for 1. NQ night had no trades, and then ES night had 1 trade. And ES range is currently also in a short. So it should be hitting that. Oh wait, I better not have this on Zoom. I'll be so mad. Oh, why? Why? That's no bueno. When I was updating the settings last night and putting a picture, I forgot to put this on my live account. Well, that's annoying because it's going to go and hit target as it always does. And then I'm going to miss out on $300.
Target filled.
Damn it. I missed out on $300 because I didn't check that last night. Well, ES hit target. ES early. 1 for 1. Let's go. We got to think of we got to think of like a little food or a nickname or something for ES, because now we have an ES early and an ES later. So far on the day, ES night 1 for 1, ES early 1 for 1, and NQ early 1 for 1. ZB is still in this short. Eggs. Let's go. If you're new here, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m., showing you my auto trading algorithm on the futures market. Jen also goes live at 2 to 3 p.m., like as I just mentioned, but only on TikTok, not on YouTube. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We have to think of a topic for the giveaway today. So you guys have to give me some ideas. I've never done one of your YouTube videos. I'm not sure what that means. John, what does doing one of my YouTube videos mean? I've never done one of your YouTube videos. Well, that's probably a good thing. I don't know. So far, ES night, 1 for 1. NQ early, 1 for 1. ES early, 1 for 1. Let's go. Let's go. We need an apple a day. Ooh, maybe ES early is an apple. I like it. Some orange juice. We might need something to drink. We're literally, all of the emojis for the results are just going to be food across the board. Nice. One of my students just posted he's in a short, made $970. He said we don't gamble. We don't. We take a mitigated risk. That is very... Show Irma your settings. Your stop loss is moving too fast. That's what that error means. All right, we went right to this level. Okay, I'll show her. Thank you. Yep, sure thing. We went right to this level on NQ, 15,235 that I mentioned in my student call. I said when we pull back there. Michael T, what's going on? No, it doesn't, Michael T. Oh, no. What's happening? We got oranges and apples. We got 2 Michael T's. NQ later does not start at 9:45. Yeah. All right, we broke that level. So we're not in any trades right now. Well, actually, ZB is still in that short. I got apples and oranges. Listen, I called the short. Well, I didn't call the short in the group, but we talked about the short. So anyone that's one of my advanced traders probably took it. I've always been a TikTok. I've been in front of a computer now for an hour before I get slumming. Oh, nice. Just hit that thumbs up. We need some apples in the chat. It's, I don't know, 80, 90 words per minute. We're already blocking. Oh, no, you pinned somebody. Whenever I see, like, the little thing, I always think it's like a blocking, but you're actually just pinning somebody. So this move down was discussed in the student call. It's not a play that I said I would be taking, but if you were an advanced member, you probably took the short, which Best did, and he made, you know, I don't know how much he made, but he was in the short for $970. The $15,235. I want to see how many things spent. Thanks, Jen. Let's see what else is going on. ES, RTYYM, CL already took profit there. NQ, look at that drop. But it makes sense. Like, it makes total sense that we dropped. We had a huge freaking run yesterday. There's like one of those little... Yeah. People are DMing me while I'm live, which they shouldn't be doing. I like YouTube better. All right, Laura. Well, I like you here on YouTube. So give a thumbs up and give some little action in the chat, and that's great. TikTok just always seems to be a better producer. Like, we were getting 200 people on TikTok on the stream and lots of people interested. Whereas, like, on YouTube, I feel like people would come and just stare. They would just be like, oh, what's going on? And they wouldn't even, like, push the thumbs up. So then I'm like, F this. I'm not doing YouTube anymore. But, and it's good to have the YouTube, like, library so people can go back and just watch it. But, yeah. Whereas on TikTok, it doesn't save the live streams. So I think there's good and bad on both. So NQ early took the trade. Yes. Oh my gosh, I got 9 roses. Thanks, PHM. There's like, it says if you want to do a competition. Do you hear that noise? That's so cute. Maybe that was the noise yesterday that I had no idea what was happening. I was like, what? Oh, I love it, Jen. I love it. Oh, what was that? 2 more roses. I got like... Oh, because I think I hit my goal. My goal was to have like 10 roses. They were like... When I was setting up the live last night, it was like, set up the live. Maybe we can remove the logo. Thanks for all the roses. So I hit the goal, which was like 10 roses. Even though I always tell you guys to not send stuff, I missed the night early due to Ninja Trader freezing. No. You got to get that dedicated server with VPS. That's helped so much. All right, I'm not in any trades here. Well, no, ZB is still in that short. I'm not running ZB. But, yeah, NQ early, done. Brian made $4,700 on all of his accounts. See, Brian is one of the students that took the short. When we talk about my advanced students and who took the short, Brian was one of them. We talked about it on the call. Look at this break here of maybe 33. Regardless, I actually should mark this too. Where's my F6? You take the break and you run it down because we talked about this on the call, pulling back. All right, William. Well, you need to be on the student call because you missed a 100-point drop that we discussed at 8:45 this morning on the student call, and Brian was able to make $5,000 on each of his Apex accounts. So, Brian, you are the GOAT. Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. $30,000. That's insane. Insane. And he did the NQ early. So he ran NQ early and he manually traded NQ. Overnight money getting real close to passing these accounts. $312. Very nice for Daniel. And then, let's do some blooping. No one's posted yet from this morning, but NQ early is 1 for 1 and ES early is also 1 for 1. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Where's that apple? Even though he's not posting the overnight one. Oh, maybe a green apple, like Jen said. Oh, shoot, I almost knocked over my phone. Because we like green. We don't like red. We don't like it. All right, cool. Nice. Let's get some emojis for Brian. I see Michael's about to post. I know that's going to be a big posting. Michael's always coming through every day with all of his Apex accounts. Eggs. Oh, I forgot eggs. All of our healthy food. All right, Michael. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 accounts. Look at that. 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Like $8,000 for Michael. Very nice. I was still trying to bloop my, and waffles. Well, waffles, apple. Maybe the ES later will be the waffles still, because remember we were doing waffles too for ES. So ES can be waffles and the green apple. Oh, someone's not blooping. I was blooping. I'm blooping. Okay. I'm blooping. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop. Oh gosh, there's more people posting. I can't keep up. I'm drowning in the blooping. And I have to keep searching for an apple because it's not in my current rundown. Bloop, bloop. Alright, that looks good. I gotta move on. Bloop. Somebody wants to go live with me. I know. This is a no multi-live zone unless it's Jen. We haven't done one of those in a while. Jen is feeling better, which is awesome because she wasn't feeling well yesterday. And I was feeling very bad for her. But I'm happy to hear that she is feeling better. All right. I got all the foods. Yes. Hit those little hearts. All right. We have to think about the giveaway. Well, we have to think about what the topic is for the giveaway. Someone else is posting. So I'll just leave it here. Up all night. I wasn't up all night. What do the hearts do? I don't know, but it looks like it might be good. So just click it a bunch of times, Evie. Just keep clicking them, or the 100s, or the parties, or even those big eyes when I say something crazy. 7 PA accounts on top. Whoa, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is all cash. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, $21,000, all cash that he could withdraw at the next, whatever the next withdrawal time is for Apex. Like, this is what we're talking about. This is the awesome stuff. Was Michael on all Apex accounts? Michael is funded. Michael, can you confirm how many of these are funded? Michael's on fire. I'm sure he's on the live stream. But Down Bad just said the top 7 are all PAs, so that is whatever I just said, 21,000. Hey, Carlos, hit those little hearts, Carlos, and make sure you hit the thumbs up. Please. I gotta make sure I use my manners. I can be bossy, but I can also be polite. We are live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, and then 2 to 3 p.m. I'm not in any trades right now besides ZB, which is red, about $300. I have not been trading ZB lately, so, oh gosh, somebody, Jen or Michael or somebody did this so I can go behind. It's so much easier where you can just go behind someone. Eggs, waffles, apples, whatever. I was about to push my direct message. Let's not do that until I get out of here. All right, cool. For the info in the so we can All right. So we are still dropping. Do we see this? 195. This is an area we talked about on the student call. Awesome, awesome for sure. Jen, I love it. Jen made my new logo for zones. I love it. I'm going to have to download that. I'm going to have to tell Brian that Jen. Chop. Oh, chop on NQ hit target. Yeah, you can do NQ and MNQ. That's the thing that's crazy is you don't have to just do one. You can do MNQ, which is the micro, and NQ. Also, make sure you update your Windows stuff, Jared. That was a big thing that Jen talked about. Good morning, good morning. It's 9:51. Do we have any reports today? There are more results. Adnan posted, bloop. Go to the gym. 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. 3 PAs, 1 eval. Look at that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $1,100 on his PA accounts. I'm so mad I missed ES today because I had moved it to Sim so then I wouldn't be showing my account information when I took a screenshot for the spreadsheet last night. And I missed $300. No bueno. Kyle's one of my students. Nice job, Kyle. Again, the mentorship will only just help you. There is no situation where you took the mentorship and if you're still using the algos or if for some reason you're just manually trading, that the mentorship is not leveling you up. Because even with the algorithm, you can spot things that you wouldn't have been able to spot prior to taking the mentorship. Not you with the waffle emoji. The Windows update is a huge help on your computer freezing. All right, so make sure everyone, if you have a VPS, you have to be going and looking, and it's like the search bar, and then I think you go to like updates or something like that. I did it the other day. Thanks, Kyle. Make sure you follow this new account. This is one of our backup accounts. So make sure you follow, tap that screen. We have 2,500 likes on TikTok. We like that. We have 33 people in YouTube and 28 likes. I like that too. Jonathan, I do both. Oh, good job, Jonathan. I was wondering how many people do that.
Order filled.
Everyone, new student here. Those results are just crazy great motivation for sure. Did we just have another trade that I don't know about? Oh, ZB had a loss. All right, so I will update that in the spreadsheet. So it's even on the week because it had a win on Monday and a win on Tuesday. And today it had a loss. That's okay. Well, RTY range didn't trade. I can't believe my ES. Oh, RTY might be trading soon. I can't believe my ES was on Sim. I'm so mad at myself. Start menu, settings, update, and security, and then check for updates. So make sure you guys are doing that on your VPS. Jen, I should actually post that in the helpful info channel. I'm going to do that now.
Order submitted.
All right, let's go, R2I. So close to target. I see
Target filled.
Target filled. Target filled on RTY. Let's go. Oh, was it like too high up and you guys can't see it?
Target filled.
Target filled.
Order submitted.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Zones is also in this long on RTY. It's like a double dipper. ES Zones is in a long. RTY Zones is also in a long. All right, RTY is 1 for 1. We don't have a $125 on RTY there. I love it. I can't believe I missed out on $300. $300. So currently I am green, $660 on the day. But if you would add $300, $312 to that, what's that? 660 plus 312. Pretty much every single day I've been making $970 every morning. Some days by 9:35, some days by 9:40. Today it's 9:56. It's honestly insane. Every single day this week I've made $1,000 or more only running the algorithm. If you want more information on the algorithm, how you can use it, how you can get more information, please hit me up, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We need the main page back. We'll get it back tomorrow, PHM. Don't worry. So ES is green $75 here on Zones. RTY is green $60 on Zones. That's coming next for the premium members. I'm going to be posting that this weekend. If you have VPS, it's your responsibility to update the Windows. It's your responsibility to keep up with any Windows updates. Steps below. All right, thanks, Jen. I'm pinned that I posted it in the helpful info channel and I pinned it. All right, Jerome, let's see this. I've been in the green for every trade since last Thursday. Nice, Jerome. He's a new member.
Target filled.
Target filled. Let's go. ES is about to hit target here too. Target filled on that RTY zone. $100 on 1 mini. So with my little 5 minis, I'd be easily $500 there. This is green, 162 at the moment. It's going to push up. Let's go, go, go. Again, this is coming next for premium members. Premium members get access to everything first. You know what? Oh, I don't know. My scalper actually never traded, maybe it's just too close to everything, which seems a little odd, but maybe not. Like that short, I feel like should have happened, but I think it was too early. I think that's why.
Target filled.
Target filled on ES. But anyway, going back to what I was saying about premium, if you're a premium member, you get everything first, whether it's even a standard setup that's going to be given to the whole group, or it's a setup that is only going to be in the premium group, you get access first. That's part of the exclusivity of being a premium member. So this is only, what you're seeing right in front of you is Bold Zones. It is only going to be for premium members. All of the setups are anywhere from 80% to 98% on the entire year, similar to some of our ranges, but the risk is very, very small. Some of them have a little larger, but the great thing is they stack, and I don't know, I'm really excited for them. It's just another way just to make more money, and you can spread out your risk. So if you have 20 Apex accounts, you can have 10 on range, and then 5 on chop and 5 on zones, or 5, 5, 5, 5, like all different setups. So then you're not putting all of your risk on the same exact setups every single day. You know what I'm saying? Even though the setups we have are amazing and they do really well, you can just spread that out. So then you're not having some insane and crazy risk on all of your accounts. And then if there's one bad day, you bust all of your accounts. You know what I mean? RTY is helping me dig out my pestle. I'm within 500 bucks. That's a great tool to have in my toolbox. Okay, John. I don't know how you got down there. I don't know how you got so low. I'm going to have to message you. That is actually quite surprising. So anyway, this was Jerome. Nick D. Off to a good start today. ES Night and NQ early. Why are you not running ES early, NQ? Nick, you messaged me last night saying how
Order submitted.
excited and thankful you were for it. Why are you not running ES early?
Target filled.
Target filled? What was that? I don't even know. ES early. Why are you not running that? You thanked me for it last night. Or maybe it's on Sim. I don't know, but regardless. Oh, it's probably on Sim. So NQ night, no trades, 0 for 0. ES night, 1 for 1. ES NQ early, 1 for 1. ES early, 1 for 1. RTY range, 1 for 1. The only thing that's a loss today is ZB. Oh, ES on zones made 250. Oh, get out of here. ES just had a second trade and I missed it again. This is $600, y'all. I literally missed out on $600. And I should have changed it, but I didn't want to have like my account number up here and all that. Oh, I'd be at $1,300 today. Get out of here. Get out of here. ES early is 2 for 2. Who's running that ES early? Most of you are probably running on Sim since I just released it yesterday, but it's very similar to what we had before. It just opened up every day of the week. NQ night 0 for 0. ES night 1 for 1. NQ early 1 for 1. ES early 2 for 2. In seconds. Did you hear that? Diversified. Should change anything back up. It's new. It's because it hit the level that I told my students about, Kevin. You got to get those people in my group, in the mentorship. The mentorship is golden. Golden. All right. What was I doing? RTY range. No, there's no trade on gold. No trade on gold today. EV. GC 0 for 0. If it takes a trade, I'll be sure to talk about it. ZB range 0 for 1. The only loss we've had today is ZB. If you're running ZB, everything else is a win. Let's get some green apples in the chat. ES 2 for 2. I freaking have it on Sim because I posted a picture last night. For new people to be able to run it, and that made me miss out on $600. Okay, you guys are running on Sim. Well, that's good. At least you're running it. You can see what it looks like. It's really great. Yes, perfect, Nick. That sounds good. That makes me feel a lot better. Very good, very good. Let's put some eggs in the chat. Let's get some green apples, some waffles. I forgot that we used to have it be waffles, so I was like, I kind of forgot all about that. All right, it's 10:03. I'm okay with that. I'd love to see it's a winner. I'm happy for everyone who ran it live. Let's go, for sure. Ran Gramps, and he let me down. Oh, well, on to the next one. Yeah, later is on... What do you mean later? Oh, ES later? But what? Oh, but William, you ran ES early live. Yeah. Interesting, Nixie. It's okay. I need some fruit. All the months of waffles daily has been good for my waistline. Tony, I hear you. Oh, I wonder if... Yeah, I want to know the people that took the short from what we talked about on the student call this morning. Perfect, perfect. All of the food, Gregory. All of the food. Irma said we got the whole buffet. All right, let me update this. No trades on gold. I can't believe ES was on Sim. Y'all. Tell me now. I wonder if if ES later is on Sim. I'm running ES later, but it is on Sim. I need to change that too. And I think it's only on like one contract. It is. Oh, actually that one's okay on one contract because the risk to reward is really good. But I could do $625. I just keep staring at it like, WTF, Lauren. Like, what the hell? Well, I'm not running it live tomorrow, I'll tell you that much. So I might as well just keep it on simulation so then I don't F up tomorrow. And then I made 600, I lost on 600 today that I should have made, and then this algo slaps. Yes, keep writing stuff like that. And then tomorrow I would have it live and I'd lose. Because tomorrow Powell's speaking at 10:05, so I'm not going to be having any of the... I'm probably not going to run anything live tomorrow. Probably later. I'll probably do ES later and NQ later. But honestly, that will be it. I'm not doing any of the early morning runs. It's going to be too choppy. I'm probably not even going to run any overnight setups, honestly. Because the other markets know that when Powell's speaking the next day, and they also typically kind of hold out. So, I was going to message Sean. Good morning, good morning. It is, oh gosh, I probably have like my account info something there. It is 10:07. I'm probably going to wrap it up here soon. Oh, you want to do a giveaway? Let's do a giveaway. What is the topic though? We have to think about a topic. I can't believe I missed out. How many times am I gonna say this about ES? That's $1,300 on the day, and it hasn't. And ES later hasn't run yet, and neither has NQ later. So, and then people ask why the price of the algo is what it is. It's like because the potential is insane. If you're running a cash account, your cash flow and your increase of your cash is just crazy day after day after day. Can you imagine just making $900 to $1,500 every single day by trading essentially the smallest sizing? Then, like, it's insane if you have a cash account. Now, I know a lot of you are doing Apex, which takes a little longer. You have to understand the risk of the strategies you're running. You have to just kind of play it safe for a little while. Once you pass your eval account, which you can easily do by being a little more risky. Like, you can be a little more risky in eval, especially if there's an 80 or 90% sale going on. And then once you have that funded account, that PA account, you really need to be conservative. You need to be making, $300 to $500 a day, locking it up. Once you build a cushion, like even if you made $300 a day, which you could do from, $100 on overnight on ES, $100 overnight on NQ, and then $100 on, whatever. You could easily do $300 a day. So to get to 55,000, which is a $5,000 cushion or a $6,000 cushion, let's do a $6,000 cushion divided by $300. You would need to trade 20 days with that average of 300. Now, some days you could be making 500, and then some days maybe you don't make anything or you have a loss. So I think this is a good average, like to say that you're going to average $300 a day with your Apex accounts being conservative. The save 90 should be coming, or at least the save 80. It really should be with Memorial or Labor Day coming up.
Order submitted.
ES. Oh, ES early is now in another short. And I'm not in it again. I'm not in it again because I was thinking about tomorrow. You guys, I've missed out on $900. $900 on freaking ES early. I missed out on $900. I cannot fathom what is happening right now. To add the profile source, I can make it whatever colors. Adjust to this quickly. What? Can you please show to get that P&L show on the chart? Oh, that's just called the chart trader. You just have to turn the chart trader on and point it to your account. Lauren is spot on. Flew past a 0 and then 145. Took the short in NQ, made $450. Nice job, my students. The drop came and I got some of it. Nice morning. Good job, Jimmy. Picture perfect again, Lauren. Nice. This is what I'm saying. If you guys aren't part of the mentorship, you're missing out on so much extra money. Like, so much extra money. This is what my students are saying as of 10:09, 2 minutes ago. The drop came and I got some of it. Nice morning. Same, Greg. Picture perfect again, Lauren. Nice. Lysandra is a brand new student. She took the short for NQ and made $415. Laura said, spot on. Flew past the 00 and then a level at 145. Can we make it to 100? Like, this is it. This is what we're trying to talk about. In the regular chat, when people say the mentorship is worth it, I don't know. I let other people speak for me because I feel like it sounds like I'm trying to push it when I'm saying it or when Irma's saying it. I have to get the chop set up. Yeah, chop. Also, Jen, did you update the spreadsheet? NQ and ES chop on the week is green. Where are we at? Is green $1,500. And the chop risk is so good. So good. Like, it's insane. So anyway, I was going back to what I was saying here after I post this. Mentorship is worth every single penny. Like, y'all have to get with it. I do a morning call every single day, Monday through Friday, 8:45 a.m. to 9:15 with my students. I literally hand them the play. I hand it to them. I give them a long play and I give them a short play. And 99% of the time, it works out to a T. To a T. Hit those little hearts, the 100s. Where are my students in the YouTube? Tap that little 100 logo. Let's go. Like, y'all have to invest in yourself and your education. And it's not just about buying the mentorship. It's about actually focusing on what you're learning. I feel you, Lauren. The 91st, so I'm going to take this too light. Just disconnect the Dragon Monday. Yeah, don't play in the sandbox tomorrow. You're still very green, K Lavender. I wouldn't be hard on yourself for missing that ES play. You know, I missed it. I saw a TikTok the other day that said your brain doesn't know the difference between you just like kind of being hard on yourself versus you being real. So if you talk negatively about yourself, and even if it's a joke, even if it's just like kind of how I said, like, oh, I'm so stupid, or like, that's so stupid, or whatever, like, your brain internalizes that and it really will start to kind of play out. So don't do that. Let's keep our positivity up. I need to air this out. And I'm guilty of it too. So I've been trying to be more conscious of it. We need to hold ourselves to a standard of where we are treating ourselves well. Because if we don't, then no one else will. And it's just good for our health. Lauren's mentorship student call literally made me 5K this morning. Like, do we see this? Laura just posted this in the chat. Let's go. Is there any updates to the mentorship? No, Alex. There's no updates to the mentorship. The part is that we go live every single day. If you want to come back to the group and come back to the student section, you can do that. I do a live call every single morning, and that's what everyone is talking about. You did great. You still made money. I can't believe I missed 900. I can't believe I missed 900. But it's okay. Don't force it tomorrow. It's going to be Where are we at? There's no trades happening right now. ES, if you haven't heard, ES was 3 for 3 on the morning for $900. So apples were like, hey, I'm going to show up. Lauren added me to the spreadsheet. I'm going to show up and show out. Like, how much better does it get? Look at Laura posting her $5,000 total P&L. She is still in this short for an extra $1,200. This is the call that was given, the play that was given on the student call this morning. If you have time to join the student call every day, you could be making $5,000. Did I already show you how Brian, who is also a student of mine, and he's on the call every single day, made what, 20,000, 30,000? What did he make today? This. 5, 10, 15, 20, $30,000. $30,000 on the day. Nice show, Brian. Like, this isn't so far out. Alex, yes, it's $600 a month. You can sign up on the website or just email me. Just email me and I can send you the link. It's $600 for just student access, but if you've bought the mentorship in the past. So as long as you've purchased the mentorship sometime in the past, then you can be in the group as student access for $600 a month. But if you also like the algos, like, look at it today. $1,500 on the algo by 10:20 a.m. And that's me doing nothing. I'm not touching anything. I'm not adjusting anything. So for an extra $400 a month, then you would also get, obviously, access to all of the standard algos. But yes, if you prefer to just manually trade, you can do that if you've bought the mentorship in the past. Or recently or whatever. All right. My little robot face. Nice job. Laura, mentorship student call play. Is the mentorship worth it? Find out. Look at her little eyes. All things arranged. Looking to get 20 in Slate 2024 when they all, yes. Exactly. Slow and steady. That's the thing about Chop. It only trades like once or twice per day. Chop has already made $1,500 this week. Last week, Chop made $2,400, and Chop is on premium. So if you're not a premium member, you might want to think about doing that just to get access to Chop. The apples are for ES early, Evie, which is 3 for 3 today. Gregory Hawkins said the mentorship is fire, 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 fire. I love it, Gregory. I'm going to take a little picture of that. My sister closed her 4th account. My cousin Rodney, who is a student, is in an NQ trade up 70 points right now. Let's go. Let's go. 70 points on the NQ play. Our night plays for tonight still cool with, so I'll be talking about that in the group later, Gregory L. Maybe you should have made it live. Made what live? Oh, you're getting on me about ES. Get out of here. I'm so sour. Can you tell? Because I've been running it every day. Like, I really love it. And it's been making me a lot of freaking money. Like, I could probably pull it up and just see what that's made. I just have to be careful about showing my stuff. All right. Let's move this over and let's filter out some accounts. All right. Let me just put my account and then I need to just do ES. $2,800 just this week. When was the 17th? Last Thursday. Hold on. I'm like showing my account number. Hold on. I'm trying to update the dates to go back to like last week. But YouTube can, maybe I could go high. Maybe I could pull this up. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, this is just my account. I want to change the dates. I don't know when I started running it. 2 weeks, $4,500. And y'all, this doesn't include the $900 I missed today. I wonder if I go back a week sooner if I was running it then. $5,300 for the last 3 weeks. So $6,200, $6,300 just on ES. 100% just on ES. Do you see this? Like, it's insane. Insane. Whoa. Look at Brian. He's in a $4,000 short. Do we understand what's happening? Look at Beast. This is one of my students, John. He said, great call, great morning call, Lauren, as always. Being patient, you were spot on. Done for the day. Everyone have a great Thursday. Look at this. 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. 600, 400, whatever. Like, it's insane. Insane. Because this is so possible. I just feel like people don't even know. If I could give it back to you. Right. Yes, Gregory. Utilizing the student call is so crucial. So this is ES early since August. Well, I might even have done it sooner than that. Let's go back to July. Oh no. I might have been running a different ES then. I think it was the 1st of August. Like the first week of August, because I think the person that told me about it said, oh, it's been green all of July. Like it was 100% in July too, but I wasn't running it in July. Thursday morning, right. 5,300, and this does not include the 900 that I missed today. So 6,200 or 6,300 essentially, 37 trades for the whole month of August. Pretty much 100% on ES early. This is the new ES early. I've been running it for a few weeks, and it's so good. It's so good. This is just ES, just on my live account. And if you guys want to see that this is just my live account, I can do this and take a picture. I just didn't want to put my live account on. Be hard to take a picture like this, but I'll try. All right, let me hide my account number and my last name because. All right, so look. Right? Oh shoot, this is my TD Ameritrade account. Jesus. All right, so this is the same data I just showed you. These are all the sim accounts. All of them are unchecked. This is my live NinjaTrader account right here. Let me just clean that up. And same results, same information, and this is just off of ES. Just ES. So yeah. Brian said, yes, it is. ES is a fire. NQ range still 95% on one contract. NQ range is now 97% on one contract, Alex. We've made it even better. NQ range early is 97%. NQ range later is 98%. So again, if you come back, Alex, as a algo member, you'll also get full access to all of the student channels, and you'll get all of the standard algos, which are NQ range, scalper. Is that all we have right now? I think that's it. Michael Session doesn't take it on the 3 accounts. Mentorship is golden. Thank you so much, Lauren and BoldBot team. You guys rock. Awesome. Michael took the short as well. He's one of my students. Great job, Michael. Like, oh, this is just insane. We got to give him the bloop, 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 bloop. We got to give him the little man, the little student man. So anyway, so again, $6,200 on ES early since August 7th. That's really when I started running it. I didn't start running, and it might have been, I might have done it maybe, let me see if I did it like August 3rd or August 4th or whatever. Yeah, I did actually since August 3rd, 5,500. So 5,500 plus 900, 6,400 since August 3rd, 100%. Yeah, I took a break from trading and focused on my business, but I'm almost ready to come back. Yep, insane. It's so good. And the mentorship is just, we all know what that is. We all know. Look at my chop zone. Do you see this? This is the chop zone. This is given to my students. This is the play today. We moved down. We pulled back. You take the short here. You get that move. From the chop zone, 15,220. You're now 120 points in the positive. All you have to do is join the student call and listen. Honestly, that's all you have to do. All right, it is 10:26. I'm going to wrap it up. I am green $660 on the day. Sadly, it should be $1,500, but whatever. This algo makes me sad that weekends exist. Agreed. Weekends are sad. But I will have the weekend chat, so you guys can flurry around in there and have a good time. Yes. Give me 2 minutes. All right, so I'm going to wrap this up. Jen will be live on this TikTok later today. It's BoldBot_backup. Make sure you go to TikTok, you find it, you follow it, put that little bell icon, BoldBot_backup. And go get that mentorship, because if you don't believe in yourself, and if you don't, really contribute to your education, then what are you even doing? Let's go. All right. Have a good day. Thanks for joining. We'll be live tomorrow at 9:30. It's going to be probably a little slow and crazy tomorrow with the symposium and Powell speaking and a large report at 10 a.m. But have a good day. Email me if you want more information, boldbotllc@gmail.com. And we'll see you guys later, 2 p.m. on TikTok.